I was just recording a little video a second ago about a live stream, and I went to peg the door back like I normally do, like this one here goes on the latch like so. I went to do this one and the latch was missing. The latch was on the floor. Let's see if it must have been pop riveted on. Pop rivets are broken, so it's a little job I got to fix. Fortunately, I have a pop rivet gun on the boat and pop rivets, so yeah, little job I've got to do right now. So I've got my drill out. I put a 4mm drill in it. I think that should be big enough to drill it out. It fits through the hole of there, so yeah, fits through the hole quite nicely of that. So I'm going to try and drill this out. I'm going to have to put the camera down. I can't hold it steady. I've drilled the holes out. And I've drilled the holes out, or the old rivet off of here, off the latch. Now to fix the new one on. I have a selection of pop rivets here. I'm just looking what size. I think it's going to be probably something like this to go in there. I'm just going to check. Yep, I think that will work perfect. It just goes in the hole quite nicely. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do now, is a fix that's on there. So right, pop rivets in. I'm going to have to put the camera down again because I've got nowhere to sit it and actually show you what I'm doing. Well, I'll try, see if I can sit on the back deck and point it upwards. It's extremely windy again. Right, I've just put the first pop rivet in, and I didn't get in. It's obviously slightly cockeyed. I'll hold it straight, and it's not straight. I'm just going to have to tap that across a little bit, so I'll get the second one in. There we go. Let's get the second pop rivet in there. There we go, in it goes. There we go. Reconnected. Touch a little bit of black paint over it so that they don't show, I guess, sometime. But it's on there for now. Oh, and that's really clever of me, isn't it? I put it on upside down. Time to take it off and put it back on again. Right, time to do it again. Nice sky. Right, that's that little job finished now. Now up the correct way. What a plonker. Well, I was going to make that little video and incorporate it in with another little video, but I don't really have anything to at the moment to incorporate it with. So it's just a very short video this week, I'm afraid, or this Wednesday. As you can probably see, I'm recording the outro somewhere different to where I actually did the filming of fitting it. Did the filming of fitting it in Coventry Basin, and I'm now at Narrowboat on a lovely, lovely sunny morning, although it's a bit chilly. Yes, I actually lit the fire this morning for a while. It was only 14 degrees in the boat when I got up, and I wanted to warm it up a little bit, so I did. So that's going to bring us to the end of this little video. I hope you like that little DIY project. One thing about living on a boat, it's just like living in a house, things go wrong. As I say, I didn't expect that to fall off. I had no reason to, but it did. Fortunately, I had all the tools to repair it with. So I didn't have to buy anything new to do it, which was a bonus. It's the end of the video, of course. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers. Still going up quite nicely. Thank you very much. And thank you for everybody that supports the channel. You know who you are. I really appreciate all of you from all the different methods you support me. And if you'd really like to help the channel along and you're not already subscribed, because an awful lot of people watch my channel that are not subscribed, remember, it is free, it costs you absolutely nothing, and it does help promote my channel to other YouTubers. Yeah, so hit that notification bell. Well, hit the subscribe button first, of course, and the notification bell if you want to see more content, because YouTube will inform you then every time I upload a new video. Well, that just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.